PaPa's coming to you from my base camp in my yard. We're going to call it from now on ET Camp. And it's been raining all week, so it's pretty soggy out here. And we got a few buckets to clean up that blew around the yard into our camp. But this is going to be a Canteen Cup Tuesday. Today we're going to use a single burner propane stove. Canteen cup with a lid. I've got popcorn, vegetable oil, some butter, salt, and a measuring cup. And I'm going to light it with a barbecue lighter. I'm going to put the butter in first. And let it start melting, and we need to put the handle out. Put the butter in first and let it start melting. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of popcorn. And we're going to finish covering the kernels with a little bit of cooking oil. And that's a total fail. Ooh, I think I shook it too hard for the handle. The handle came loose and we dumped it all over. I guess that's just a fail and a lesson learned. So I guess that wraps up our Canteen Cup Tuesday. Not everything's going to be a success. But now we know that that type of handle you got to be careful with. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to give us a big thumbs up.